Hi guys, just posted this in the Facebook group as an update. This is actually very, very important. I had to have to make this change, a few changes, and it's better to make these various changes early on. I have been alerted by members saying there were some issues, and I've sorted some things out. They were very necessary, guys, and I'm sorry, but you're going to have to go back into your update page. And that you were told to bookmark. If you don't have that update page for your PDF brander, you're going to have to create a new one. I did actually mention this, so it's your responsibility if you can bookmark your update page, so you can go back as we make these updates to rebrand your version of the PDF. Obviously, the code, the link, everything won't change for your PDF. But obviously, if you didn't bookmark that update page, I'm not going to be able to send the link out to you for your update page. There's no way I can know what your update page is. But anyway, these changes are important anyway. So I've already made the video about this anyway in the system. But basically, free lead system here. Initially, what we had was where you had to put in your full URL. But now what we've done is we've changed it to so you put in your user ID. Okay. At first I didn't realize that this was possible because obviously we're dealing with mostly the free lead system members. Now if you're a free lead system member, all you have to do is you have to get your user ID from the back office and simply put it in here. Okay. If you're a lead lightning member, you do the same. And the Power Lead system, believe it or not, you do in fact have a user ID. This is what you use to log in with. And I'm going to show you how to get that user ID. The reason why we needed to do this is because we were having issues with some people saying that they couldn't click that link to actually join the free lead system. And the reason for that is because the dynamic brander system doesn't, on some platforms, like if you open up the PDF in a browser window, the links were working fine. But if you're opening up the PDF in the Acrobat Reader, for example, the links didn't open up correctly. Okay, just this particular link, because it was the full URL. Okay, and it's just don't worry about the technicalities of it. It just wasn't working because I can't. if I explain it, I'm going to make it even more complicated for you to understand. So, but it was vital. Okay, now I'm going to show you where to get that. Whether you're a free lead system member or even a upgraded lead lightning member or a power lead system member, you go to the exact same place to get your user ID. Okay, so what you do is you log in, and normally your user ID or username would be whatever you log in with here. Okay, I've got 3 accounts. I've got two demo accounts. One account is for the free lead system. I got another account which is a demo account, but it's a lead lightning account. And I've also got my main account, which is already a power lead system account. That's why I'm able to test this thing out and make sure that it's actually working for every user. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to log in. Okay, this is just a double check to make sure that what the username that we're going to be using here is the correct username. Now in some cases your referral ID here, if you open that up, this will be the correct referral ID, but for some people, especially power lead system members or anybody, even if you're a free lead system member or a lead lightning member, there is a way that you could have gone in and you could have edited your username. Okay, and if you did that, this is not going to work. Okay, so the best place to get your username is go to the menu bar at the top here, go to accounts, go to my information right here, and then go down and edit username. Okay, now if you haven't edited your username before, it's probably going to be a number. Okay, this is your username. This is the same username you log in with, and this is the same ID as you've got right down here. Okay, it's the same ID right there. Okay, so but if you've already edited it for whatever reason, and that's fine, and that's good actually if you do that, and if you have edited it, you just use whatever you've got here. Okay, this is what you need. All right, and it'll show up right here. Okay, and here as well. Okay, so like I say, this is what you use to log in with. If you've changed it already, it's going to be different to whatever's down here. This will always be your user ID number. but this will be whatever you change it to. Okay, so whatever you change it to, this is what you need to grab. Okay, whatever's in this box, you need to grab that. You need to come back here, and you need to go to the free lead system area, and you need to paste that in there. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to log into a Lead Lightning member's account in case you're a Lead Lightning member. Okay, so now I'm logged into Lead Lightning. Same place, go to Accounts, go to My Information, and go to Edit Username. It's going to look slightly different, this page, but basically this is what you need. Okay, and if you've changed it, whatever's you got in this box, you need to copy that out and put it into there. I'm going to show you in a Power Lead System members account. Notice that I'm logging in with my username because I've changed it, and most Power Lead System members have probably changed it. Okay, now if you're using the new version menu, okay, anyway you go to Accounts, which is over here, and then you go to Edit Username. Okay, and then you just grab whatever you've got in here, copy that down, and you go back to here, go to the go to the free lead system. It's going to work, guys, for whatever platform you're on. Now, if you've got the previous menu, the old version menu for the Power Lead system, okay, this is what it looks like. You go to Accounts, you go to My Information, you go to Edit Username, and then you copy the username down. Okay, so whatever menu you're using, that's where it is. It's always in the Accounts, Edit Username. Okay, so that's the first update that we've done. I'm just going to go through. Make sure that you go through this and make sure all your IDs are updated properly. Okay. Actually, you need to go to your edit page. So if you're on your edit page, this is what it looks like. Okay, and then update. And now here's the page. The other update is I had to change the username feature here because it wasn't properly working. I just copied the HTML code from the Power Lead system, but it wasn't connecting up to a group, so I wasn't sure, or it wasn't easy for me to know where the leads were going. Okay, I needed to separate out the leads to connect that HTML code to groups, so I can see who's coming in. So as and when I need to email out updates to everyone to let people know that there are updates with this system, it wasn't easy for me on the old system. So now what I've done is I've created a new mailing list. Okay, you need to make sure that you're a member of this mailing list. Okay, so click this button, it'll open up into a new window, and you need to, even if you've opted in before, you need to do it again because this is a brand new group. Okay, I'm trying to separate out the different groups so I can be sure I'm emailing out the right people, because I got lots of leads in my Power Lead system, but I need to distinguish, what groups you're all in. So you need to opt into this. Okay, everybody needs to opt into this in order to get updates. And when you join, when you put your email in here, you'll be able to get access. Okay, you need to put the code in there and then submit. You'll actually get an email as well, but the very next page you'll be right on the Facebook group. Okay, so that's the way I've done it. Okay, your leads will come through this as well. The reason why your leads need to be on my mailing list is because I'm going to be mailing or messaging out to people as and when we update. It's situations like this where we get urgent updates that everyone needs to go in and update their version of the PDF. Unfortunately, the way this system is, we can't update all your versions of the PDF in one fell swoop. It's not possible. So when people come in and brand the system, everybody has a unique PDF, an individual PDF file. Okay, so when we make updates to the master copy, the master PDF copy, your PDF versions don't get updated. So the only way you can update your version of the PDF is to simply come back to this page. So you need to bookmark this link right here. Okay, this link. Okay, this is the same link right here. Just put that up into the bookmark bar here. So when you click this, you come back to this page and you see all your settings are already saved in here. And if you ever need to come back to this page, you need to check your settings to make sure that they're correct, and then all you need to do then is just to click the update report. That's all you need to do. Whenever we announce that there is an update, you just simply need to come back to this page and click that button. That's it, done. Nothing more to be done. Your links will be intact. Your download page will be pointing to your PDF anyway, so you don't need to change that. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to update your download page. Okay, so these download pages do not need to be updated. Okay, because this is the same code. Okay, this is the same PDF. Okay, it's linking to the same PDF, so which will get updated if only if you go and manually update it yourself. If you don't manually update it yourself, your version of the PDF is not going to be updated, and other people are going to get errors. Okay, potentially. All right. Just wanted to make that clear. Sorry to keep this video long, but I wanted to make that clear. Hope that makes sense. Comment to let me know that you understand this. But you don't need to make this any more complicated than it is. I'm sorry if it is complicated, but just go with the flow. Just understand that all you need to do is just to come back here and update the system, and go back to the place where I told you about the free lead system, and grab your username, put it in the box, click save, and your PDF will be updated. It's as simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry to be a pain, but it's better that we get these updates, and it's better that we fix the PDF system as soon as we can, so as new leads come in, they won't be affected at all. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.